In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sizes on Big Cartel for your products efficiently and effectively in just 5 minutes. This step-by-step guide is perfect whether you're a seasoned shop owner or just getting started on Big Cartel. So, let's dive right in and make your online store shine with product variations. First, we'll begin by heading to the Big Cartel website. This platform is well known for providing free and easy online stores tailored for artists and small businesses. Once you're on their main page, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it, which will take you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your shop URL along with your password. Ensure you've got these details handy, as they're essential for accessing your store's backend. Once you've entered the correct information, hit the login button and you're in. Now you'll find yourself on the Big Cartel dashboard. This is your command center for all things related to your shop. To start managing your products, click on Products from the menu. This will lead you to a page displaying all the items currently available in your store. If you're looking to add a new product, there will be an option to Add Product. Click this button and you'll be directed to a form where you can input details about your new item. Here, you'll want to keep an eye out for the Add Variant option, which is crucial for including size options. When you locate Add Variant, click on it. A text box should appear prompting you to type in the sizes you want to offer, such as small, medium, or large. Enter each size neatly, ensuring your customers have a clear understanding of their choices. Additionally, you have the option to set different prices for each size. This is particularly useful if the cost varies due to material usage or other factors. Simply type in the price next to the corresponding size, keeping your pricing straightforward and fair. Finally, after you have entered all the necessary information about sizes and prices, always remember to save your progress. Look for the Save button and click it to secure all the changes you've made. This step prevents any data loss and ensures that your product information is up to date. And there you have it. Adding sizes to products